This is the pad thai she's cooking right here. So check this out. Pad thai on the street here in Phuket, Thailand. That's called sauteing the chicken. Get the veggies, put the egg in. So I said earlier, this is right here on the street. Check it out. Here's the road right behind me. There's the traffic. So you got to watch where you're standing as you're putting the noodles in. There's the sauce. That looks good already. Get a better angle. Put the bean sprouts. A little bit more sauce. Can you make it spicy?
No spicy.
Oh, can you put spice in?
You like spicy?
Oh yes, very much.
Okay,
Yep, throw it in there. I love when it's really, really spicy. I add my own pepper even when I get home. There you go. Yep, perfect. Yep, throw it in there. Love it.
Okay.
Excellent. I just love pepper. I know. He's preparing it in the to-go. There it is, right there. Perfecto. Oh, you can keep. Go ahead. You can keep it. Go ahead. Thank you very much. I love pad thai. Thank you. Well, that's called street food pad thai, and we go home and eat. 80 baht, which is, you know, maybe, let's see, it's what, 33 to the dollar, so, you know, a couple bucks. And it's cooked up right in front of you, and now it's time to go home. You know, if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing. I love traveling. I love getting food at exotic places and exploring, and this is one thing I'd love to do is get street food. And thank you very much for following along. See you in my next video.